Hello, amazing viewers. Welcome back to our Empowering Strategy Hub. Today, we're tackling the game-changing skill of attracting people and opportunities. Imagine this: instead of chasing, you're the one being pursued. Rather than always chasing, what if you could strategically position yourself so that others naturally gravitate towards you? Your personal magnetism is your secret weapon. It's all about charisma, building rapport, and leaving a lasting impression. Enhance these traits by being genuine, attentive, and engaging. Cultivate a positive and authentic presence that draws people in. What makes you stand out? It's crucial to identify your unique strengths, skills, and qualities. These are the facets that make you, you. Once you've pinpointed your value, you can strategically highlight it, making it irresistible for others to want to connect with you. In the digital age, content is a powerful magnet. It's more than just words or visuals, it's your voice, your perspective. So, consider this. What can you share that brings value to others? Create content that adds value to others, and watch how it attracts like-minded individuals and opportunities into your sphere. Networking is not just about reaching out, it's about strategically positioning yourself. Being present in the right circles, offering value, and letting your network work for you are key. Sometimes, it's about creating a magnetic field rather than chasing individual connections. Now, let's address the concept of using bait. Picture an irresistible project, a groundbreaking idea, or a unique skill set. These can be your bait, drawing in the opportunities you crave. The trick is to use this bait strategically and ethically. Sometimes you need the right bait to attract the opportunities you desire. I want to hear from you. What's your secret sauce for attracting opportunities? Ever strategically used bait? Spill your strategies and experiences in the comments section. Let's grow together. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let's learn from each other. And there you have it, the art of making others come to you. We've delved into personal magnetism, unique value, valuable content, strategic networking, and using bait. If you enjoyed this, subscribe and hit the bell. Until next time, stay magnetic, stay strategic, and watch the opportunities come to you.